Hi there, students. Artifice. Artifice. Okay, this is a noun. It can be both countable and uncountable. Artifice or an artifice. Okay, artifice or an artifice is a clever trick. Yeah, it's something intended to trick somebody in order to get what you want, to make somebody believe something that's not true. So it's a cunning device where you use something to deceive somebody and make somebody think something is true that is not true. So, for example, politics is an industry full of artifice, full of tricks and stratagems. Yeah, if you go to him and say, please would you give it to me, he's going to say no. So you're going to have to use artifice. You're going to have to use a clever trick. You could have, for example, social artifice, where people are insincere, where people are false. Oh, how wonderful to see you. Yeah, but they don't really think this at all. Social artifice. Yeah, insincere behavior. Let's see, I guess you could also use artifice to say an ingenious way of doing something. Yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to be a trick. It could be skill as well, ingenuity. So he used great artifice to persuade people. But I think more normally when we hear this word artifice, we're thinking about clever tricks. The film industry uses special effects to make us believe that the scene that we are seeing is real. This is artifice. Yeah, or I believe that very often British society is full of artifice and people don't actually say what they really think. Yeah, the vendor used artifice to sell his product. Yeah, he used deception, trickery, a clever, crafty, subtle strategy, a ruse. He used guile or something like that. Okay, so yeah, artifice is full of cleverness, ingenuity, but particularly in a way that tricks. Yeah. I think maybe an optical illusion uses artifice, cunning, yeah, tactics, yeah, trickery. But normally this word artifice has got the idea of there's something not quite honest in the way you're doing it. Shenanigans. You're trying to take somebody in. Notice an artificer. An artificer. Let's see. In the past, an artificer, they used to use this word to mean an artisan, somebody who made things, who was skilled in their trade. But I think nowadays we would only use artificer to talk about a mechanic in the army or the navy or the air force. So he was an air force artificer, somebody who repaired engines or repaired aircraft. I think an artificer, this no longer carries the idea of trickery, of tricking people. Okay, so artifice, the clever use of tricks, clever use of devices. So the advertising campaign was full of artifice, full of ingenious strategy, yeah, crafty or subtle tricks, yeah, clever ways to persuade someone to do something, sly or artful tricks. So artifice, this has got the idea of a trick, but a very artful, clever trick, using subterfuge, deception, duplicity and cunning. Okay, let's see. Artifice, formality. 6.5 to 7. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I wouldn't use it informally. A trick informally, I think. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from French artifice, from Latin artificium, which ars art, yeah, so art, and facere, to make art. So made with art, made with cleverness. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Artifice.